Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope by the grace of Allah you all are fine. Students, open your social studies books. Students, today we are going to do work page of transport, page number 57, activity A, B and C. So let's start activity A. Circle the things found in a city. Students, in this activity, we have to circle those things which we can found in a city. So let's find out and circle them. The first picture is of a road. Students, do you find road in a village? No, there is no any road. So you can say that we can find out the road in a city. So you will circle it like this. The second picture is of a bus. Students, do you find any bus in a village? No, there is no any bus. So you can say that we can see bus in a city. Now you will circle it like this. Now look at the third picture. Do you know which thing is this? Yes, it is a pond. We can find out the pond in a village. So, in this activity, we have to circle those things which we can find in a city. Now, we will not circle it. The next picture is of traffic light. Students, we can find out traffic light in a city. So you will circle it like this. The next picture is of a truck. Students, as you know, farmers use trucks to work in fields. So you can say that we cannot find trucks in a city. So we will not circle it. The next picture is of a shop. Students, as you can see that this is a small shop. So you can say that we can find small shops in villages. So we will not circle it. Now students, you know we can find road, a traffic light and a bus in a city. Let's do the activity B. Write the names of 3 things found in a village and 3 things found in a city. Students, as you know, there are many things in a city and in a village. We have to write only 3 things. Students, first of all, we will write 3 things which we can find out in a city. You can write the first one, road. R-O-A-D, road. The second one is bus. B-U-S, bus. The third one is traffic light. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. L-I-G-H-T, light. Traffic light. Students, now we will write 3 things which we can find out in a village. First of all, you can write pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O-R, tractor. The third one is small shop. S-M-A-L-L, small. S-H-O-P, shop. Students, in this activity, you can write the names of other things which you find in a city and in a village. Let's do the activity C. How many wheels do these types of transport have? Students, in this activity, we have to write the number of wheels of the given transport. Let's start. Number 1. A bicycle has dash wheels. Students, do you know how many wheels of bicycle? Yes, there are 2 wheels of bicycle. Now you will write 2 in the blank like this. Now look at the second one. A scooter has dash wheels. Students, tell me how many wheels of scooter? Yes, there are 3 wheels of scooter. Now you will write this. Now we will do the third one. A car has dash wheels. Students, all of you know how many wheels of car? Yes, there are 4 wheels of car. Now you will write here 4 like this. The next one is a truck has dash wheels. Students, there are 8 wheels of truck. So you can write here 8. The fifth one is a rickshaw has dash wheels. Students, there are 3 wheels of rickshaw. So you can write 3 like this. The sixth one, a donkey cart has dash wheels. Students, how many wheels of donkey cart? Yes, there are 2 wheels of donkey cart. Now you will write 2 here like this. The seventh one is a tricycle has dash wheels. Students, there are 3 wheels of tricycle. Now you will write here 3 like this. The last one is a ship has dash wheels. Students, do the ship has wheels? No. So you can write here no. Students, now we have completed page number 57. Now it's your turn to do activity A, B and C on your books in neat and clean writing. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.